The inclusion of data source information lets you see the School is back in session, the fall season has started, and I'm already picking out my Halloween costume. But most importantly, Studio Pro 10.15 is out with pipeline improvements, X-Ray going GA, and new meetup groups in Boston and Italy. Let's dive in. More than 500 hackers have already registered for the Capture the Flag that's happening on October 10th and 11th. This security event takes place in the Mendix office in Rotterdam and online for those who can't make it. While seats for the office have all been booked, you can still join us online. During the 2 days, we're hosting 4 security workshops focused on security best practices, so you can learn how to build safer apps. We'll also organize a table tennis and Mario Kart tournament for people in the Rotterdam office. Oh, and prizes? Well, I don't want to brag, but we have a Lego Super Nintendo waiting for the winning team. Join the CTF channel in the community Slack to be the first one to learn about the other prizes, the awards, and to sign up for the gaming tournaments. Go to pwnparty.nl for the full agenda and to register right now. I'll see you on October 10th, and don't forget, go break it. Following the beta release of X-Ray mode, we've worked hard on making it a full-fledged feature, including bug fixes, the addition of data source information, and a redesigned interface. X-Ray enhances design mode with structure elements, such as containers, layout grids, and data widgets, directly on the canvas while maintaining the rest of your styling. This makes it much easier to select and place widgets on the canvas without switching to structure mode. The inclusion of data source information lets you see the available data context directly on the canvas. In 10.15, we are making it generally available for Windows as well. So check it out and let us know if you've said your goodbyes to structure mode yet. You can now benefit from improved personalization for Data Grid 2, because filter operators will be stored together with the value, which help you customize and personalize the data grid. Thanks Adam Sterling for posting this one on the idea forum. And finally, the new option to select reference sets for Data Grid 2 columns lets you view the associated data as a comma-separated list of values, providing a straightforward and adaptable method for data representation and management. Pipelines comes with 2 big improvements in this release: testing with Maia Best Practice Recommender and APIs. For a quick refresh on what pipelines is, check out release video 10.8. The first improvement is about testing with the Maia Best Practice Recommender. We heard your feedback about the need for embedded testing in pipelines and have now released the first testing step with pipelines, the Maia Best Practice Recommender. This is an intelligent co-developer bot that checks your app model against Mendix best practices and results in errors, deprecations, warnings, and recommendations for improving your project. It's now available as a pipeline step so that you can check your model's quality before building and deploying it to environments. You can simply place this testing step in your pipeline after checkout and configure pipeline failure conditions based on your quality rules. For example, you might like to stop and fail the pipeline if errors, warnings, or deprecations are detected in the app model, so that only high-quality software is deployed to the environment. Once the pipeline is triggered, go to the Run Details view to see the details. Since warnings and deprecations were detected in this example, the Maia Best Practice Recommender step has failed, which fails the pipeline run as well and prevents the building and deploying of an app project that's not up to your standards. The second improvement is the introduction of pipeline APIs, because what are you really even building if it doesn't have APIs, right? The new pipeline APIs help you integrate pipelines with your existing tools. Think of triggering pipelines when the status of a Jira ticket changes to ready for release, upon review from a stakeholder, or trigger Mendix pipelines from your third-party CI/CD tooling, which is just one of the many ways you can use the APIs. Let us know in the comments what you'll be using the Pipelines APIs for. Since Pipelines is a platform feature, you don't need to upgrade to Studio Pro 10.15 to enjoy the new goodies. You can get started right now by going to the Mendix portal. On to AI updates. In the latest version of the Conversational UI module, we included the possibility to monitor how your users are using the generative AI capabilities in your Mendix apps. You can see how many input and output tokens are used over time to track adoption and stay on top of the consumption and control cost. Use the built-in charts to get a quick overview or export the data to do your own analysis. With the Support Assistant Starter app, you can now use advanced technologies such as function calling and knowledge bases to help your users deal with an endless flood of tickets. Use historical and static data to prevent new tickets if the answer can be automatically provided, and guide users through a smooth transition from the virtual assistant into a more manual process. Oh, and did you already notice the new Markdown widget that shows fully formatted text? Check it out. Use the Starter app to kickstart your development, or use it to learn more about combining common generative AI patterns into one seamless experience. This month, we're excited to announce the launch of 2 new meetup groups in Boston, the United States, and in Milano, in Italy. If you're in one of these locations, don't miss out on the opportunity to join our core community group and connect with fellow developers. Whether you're looking to network, share knowledge, or collaborate, these meetups are the perfect way to get involved. Join these meetups or find one near you at meetup.com/pro/MendixMakerCommunity, and I will personally be in Milano to officially launch the meetup in Italy. So I hope to see you there. And that's it for this video. But wait, there's more! Check out the release blog on Mendix.com/blog for a full list of all the new features and improvements. Download Studio Pro 10.15 at marketplace.mendix.com to use all these features right now. If you liked the video and you want to see more, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a single video. I'm Jan de Vries, your low-code host, and I'll see you in the next video.